Alright, here's little brother. Again, no problems eating. I think their sister is going to be a problem maybe, but just try every day. That's all I can do. She wouldn't even hold still for a video, so maybe tomorrow. So anyway, this is little brother. A little update on him. I've got them all eating wet cat food, and they've been trying to eat some of the dry food outside. So they are definitely progressing very well. Super proud of them. So keep watching. Hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next time.